spend December with you, baby, and help you celebrate a world in white. I can't wait until the day we're married, though we've got many mountains left to climb. And if you would take my hand, I'd be a better man than I've ever been before. Making angels in the snow and down on one knee promises on your front porch. I wanna spend this summer with you, baby, and catch a world of waves by surprise, with windows down and dreams anticipating, like unborn children waiting to arrive. And if you would lean in close, then we go up and down the coast and live the first week of our lives. Blankets of trust upon our bed, like we got much more love ahead than pain behind. I wanna spend an autumn with you, baby, 'cause God knows that the leaves will start to fall, and the world will fill with gray and grief and barren, and start to shake what little hope we had at all. But if you let me hold you tight, I'll make my arms a sacrifice and try and shield you from the sting. And it might not be the warmest, but it'll be the most in love we've ever been. Yeah, the seasons will change, and we will too. It's like running through an open door. It's like finding what you're looking for. We've been waiting, we won't wait no more.